Just before we get into this video, guys, this is being recorded on a Nikon Z7 with the 24-70 f4 using face detect autofocus. So hopefully I'm in focus right now. Okay, so I just want to do an unboxing of the retail packaging that you'll get with the Z7s. I've also got the 24-70, the FTZ and the 35mm as well. So first of all, this is the Z7 box. You can see that it's a different design to those gold kind of Nikon boxes that you're used to. That's the top. So let's have a look what's inside. And the first thing you're greeted with when you open the box is you have the manual, the user manual. So those of you that have already pre-ordered, you get an XQD in the box. It's a 64 gig XQD card, 440 megabits per second read and 400 megabits per second write. You then have the user manual with warranty card on the back. So you then get the new Nikon Z strap. Okay. We also have a USB to USB-C cable, power supply, UK plug obviously for me. You get the MH25 charging block, so you can pop the battery straight into the block itself. You also get one of these, which is a tether connector, and it means that it actually physically screws into the side of the body and it stops you from ripping those cables out if you're using the HDMI port, for example. We have a battery. This is the ENEL15B. This allows you to then charge your camera via USB-C as well if you need to, and it is obviously a slightly darker grey just to separate between the 15A and the 15B. You then also get an AC adapter which will have a USB-C port right on the other side, and then obviously the camera body itself. Right, next, FTZ adapter. This is what the box itself looks like. Okay. So what do we get? We get some nice instructions, large user manual, different languages, that type of thing. And then we obviously get the FTZ adapter itself. Pretty straightforward. Right, so the new 35mm Z lens. Please do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to do a comparison between this 35mm and the Nikon F mount 35 f1.4, so see how well this one performs against the f1.4 version. So again, nice large user manuals in here. I love these things. So this is a Nikon lens pouch. Okay. We then have the lens itself, really nicely packaged. There we go. And then we also get a lens hood. So it is a plastic petal-shaped lens hood. Clicks onto the front like so. Okay, very last one. This is the 24-70. Again, Nikon lens pouch. Love these things, are extremely useful. User manuals, different languages. We then have the 24-70 itself, double wrapped. Nice, there we go. And then another petal shaped lens hood. So that clicks on, fits on like so. There we go. Thank you very much for watching.